Apple CarPlay not working? There are three main categories of issues that cause CarPlay failures, each with different underlying causes and solutions. Software issues account for 60% of CarPlay problems. These include iOS version incompatibility, corrupted CarPlay cache files, and conflicts with third-party apps. Hardware problems make up 25% of cases. This includes faulty USB cables, damaged Lightning or USB-C connectors, and vehicle infotainment system malfunctions. Network and connectivity issues represent 15% of failures. These involve Wi-Fi interference in wireless setups, Bluetooth pairing conflicts, and outdated vehicle software. The iPhone 15's transition to USB-C has created new compatibility challenges with older vehicle systems that were designed for Lightning connectors. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, start with these quick fixes that resolve most common CarPlay issues. First, force restart your iPhone by holding the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. Second, check your USB cable and ensure you're using only Apple-certified cables. Third, verify your CarPlay settings by going to Settings, General, then CarPlay. Understanding these common causes helps you target the right solutions quickly and get your CarPlay working again. When CarPlay stops working, start with these quick fixes that solve most common issues immediately. Force restart your iPhone by holding the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. This clears temporary software glitches that often cause CarPlay failures. Check your cable integrity using only Apple-certified cables. Damaged cables are responsible for 60% of wired CarPlay connection failures. Navigate to Settings, General, then CarPlay to verify your vehicle appears in the list. Remove and re-add your car if necessary. For persistent wired CarPlay issues, these advanced troubleshooting steps resolve most remaining connection problems. Reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings. This clears corrupted network configurations that prevent CarPlay connections. Clean USB ports and connectors using compressed air. Dust and debris in ports cause intermittent connections that appear as CarPlay failures. Try different USB ports in your vehicle. Many cars have multiple CarPlay-compatible ports, and some ports may have better power delivery or data connections than others. Wireless CarPlay requires additional troubleshooting steps since it depends on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections working properly. Forget and repair your vehicle in Bluetooth settings. This establishes a fresh connection and clears any corrupted pairing data that prevents wireless CarPlay from functioning. Check for Wi-Fi interference from other devices. Turn off other Wi-Fi networks or move away from routers that might conflict with the car's wireless CarPlay frequency. Keep your iPhone within 3 feet of the vehicle during initial setup. Wireless CarPlay requires close proximity to establish the initial connection properly. Different car manufacturers have specific CarPlay requirements and common issues that require targeted solutions. BMW and Mercedes-Benz vehicles often require using specific USB ports, typically in the front console area. Some models also need CarPlay activation through an authorized dealer. Ford and General Motors vehicles frequently require sync or infotainment system updates. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest software versions. Toyota and Honda models have known compatibility issues with certain iOS versions and may require dealer software updates for newer iPhone models. Prevent future CarPlay issues with these essential maintenance practices that keep your connection reliable. Keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. Apple regularly releases CarPlay compatibility improvements and bug fixes in iOS updates. Maintain at least 2 gigabytes of free storage on your iPhone. Insufficient storage can cause CarPlay apps to crash or fail to load properly. Replace cables every 12 to 18 months or when showing wear. Regular cable replacement prevents connection failures before they occur. Following these troubleshooting steps resolves most CarPlay issues. If problems persist after trying these solutions, contact your vehicle manufacturer or visit an Apple store for professional assistance.